Binary Basics. The easiest path to understanding zeros and ones. Understanding bit position. If you want to master converting binary numbers to decimal, the first thing you need to understand is bit positions. In binary, each digit is called a bit, which stands for binary digit. But not all bits are created equal. The position of a bit in the number determines its value. When you read a binary number, the position of each digit is the key to understanding its value. Start by looking at the digit on the far right. This is always called position 0. We start counting at 0 because in binary, this matches perfectly with the exponents you've already learned. 2 to the power of 0 equals 1. That's why the bit in position 0 always represents the ones place. In the world of computers and programming, this way of counting is called zero-based indexing. It just means the first digit is position 0. The next digit to the left is position 1, then position 2, and so on as you keep moving left. This matches up perfectly with the powers of 2. 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, and so forth. This may feel unusual if you are used to starting at 1 when you count, but starting at 0 actually makes reading binary much simpler. So, to reiterate, the rightmost digit is position 0 and always shows the ones place because 2 to the power of 0 is 1. Move one spot left and you reach position 1, which stands for the 2's place, since 2 to the power of 1 is 2. The next spot to the left is position 2, which is the 4's place, since 2 times 2 is 4. Each time you move a place to the left, you add 1 to the position number and you double the value it represents. In an 8-bit binary number, the digit on the far left is position 7 and is worth the most, which is equivalent to 128 in decimal. The digit on the far right is position 0 and is only worth 1. When you understand this pattern, you can easily see how every digit in a binary number adds up to create its total value. So the secret to working with binary isn't about memorizing a long string of ones and zeros. It is about understanding the value behind each bit based on where it sits in the number. Once you spot the pattern of positions and place values, it becomes much easier to break down any binary number and translate it into decimal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.